I found peace in the tent, yeah, the quiet kinda saved me. Growing on my own, this green done changed me. From seed to a queen, man, she looks so heavenly. My hands, my time, my light, all patiently. This ain't just smoke, nah, this therapy.
What's good, Canna fam? Welcome back. We are over here in the Gorilla Lightline 4x4 with that AirCube system from GrowAce, and we are running the Grow NEO-780. And we got a cool addition to the tent that I wanted to bring y'all here. We have been long waiting this run, and it is finally underway, but I gotta show you guys this HellFire. This is from Grow also. This is a 120 watt under canopy bar light, y'all. This thing is epic. It's got red lighting, which is going to bring out the growth in the under canopy and get up through the bottom side to help penetration. I'm excited. Y'all know we've been long waiting this opportunity to run in this tent, and I can't wait to get it all up in there. So the combination of the two is going to be epic for us. If you guys need anything from GrowAce over there, I got me a barcode over here. You guys are welcome to scan it. Don't forget about the cyber sales and the holiday sales going on now. All products everywhere on all of the affiliate groups we got over here are set to stack codes with the holiday sales. Obviously, this system from AirCube is a hydroponics system set and ready to go to make your grow life simple. And Grow's been offering the same thing. So we pop 5 on this. This is that 25 gallons. I got it set up in here. I wanted you guys to see this, but I got a disclaimer. I added additional pump to this to circulate the water continuously and have the nutrients mixed in there. So I wanted to get in here and show you guys that. The blend I'm using is perlite with 25% Pro Mix, just because it's first run, I wanted to play with it. But I wanted to show you guys also, we are running some local nutrients here from Richmond Hydroponics. They got two-part systems. So this is the nutrient line I'm going to be running on this grow series. This is obviously going to be an introductory to y'all and getting this grow series off the ground. Thank you for all y'all's patience. But I wanted to run some nutrients that were kind of local and help the local small companies out. You know, it's good to do. So I'm excited to get into this and get this set up and rolling. I wanted to take a few minutes here and also show you guys this AirCube setup with the smart controller here. It's literally ran on a 24-hour time period. It's always set to auto drain when it's in the off position, but these are increments of 15 minutes, y'all. So super simple. You just set your daily 24-hour clock, have it set at the right position for auto, and then these little tabs over here, every time you click those out, it will engage and start filling your pots, and it'll last for 15 minutes. So systematically, you just select your time and run it out. So on this, I was getting started here. I wanted to run it obviously as often as I could to supply enough nutrients, but as I stated, I was running a portion of Pro Mix, so I had to dial this back tremendously, which y'all probably would see that coming for those of you that have run hydroponics. But as you can see, it's set it and forget it. It's literally that simple. I am super stoked about this system. Recommend it to anybody that's really busy and running synthetics. It's a good way to go, and obviously use code WEPOP5. It will save you some money. And price wise, y'all, this system is set up for simplicity and to help y'all maintain at a reasonable cost. Yes, there are cheaper systems out there. Obviously, you could build your own, but if you want a plug and play design, GrowAce and AirCube system has got it going on, y'all. I am happy to be a part of that with them and happy to bring you guys the discount there. So I'm going to go ahead here and get set up over here and get into the HellFire with y'all and let you know about that. So look, Gromies, Medic Grow has reached out, as y'all know, with the unboxing of this NEO-780, and I was super excited to get with them. These lights are banging. They are epic for the grow room and cost effective. I mean, if y'all don't know about MetaGrow, y'all need to learn quick. They are a phenomenal light company, and they're continuously evolving. This Neo 780 is pushing. It's pushing, y'all. Like, I'm 25-30% on this run, which I will get into all that later here in the Grow series. I'm trying to skip out on that to alleviate the veg phase to get you guys to the flower time so we can focus on this right here. This HellFire is 120 watts. It's got a 180-degree light radius, and it is going to be a game changer. It's got some red lighting in there, which is going to penetrate, like I said earlier, the under canopy side, but it's going to help that under bud growth, because we all know the far reds and infrareds help with the flowering phase. So this right here, y'all, is a game changer as far as setting up the tents and running under canopy lighting. I was super impressed with the design when it came out, and I know in the unbox video I wasn't able to get it set up, had some technical issues, but I'm happy to bring this to y'all now. It fits perfectly in the 4x4, covers end to end, and y'all can see that lighting in there, that red hue. This is going to be a game changer for flowers. So again, if y'all need anything from Medic Grow, help yourselves, save some money. They've got great discounts going on now because of the holidays, and this is obviously something you should definitely look into. It's got a smart system as far as the Neo 780 goes. It connects right into it, and as these plants grow in here, it's going to give me 180-degree coverage across the whole bottom. And with this system from GrowAce, the light is basically right at the top of the buckets, so it's almost like these were meant to be ran together. It's crazy. So disclaimer, I am going to show you guys the Grow series, but I'm going to bring that to you here at a later date. So if you're new to the channel and checking this out and want to see what this Medic Grow system will do with all these red lights and that HellFire, sub up, smash the like, hit the notification bell. You gotta hit the notification bell, y'all. YouTube is not pushing videos out, and I don't even think half the subs are getting some of the notifications when I drop new videos. But I can't express that enough. So this Hellfire has its own personal ballast and power supply button. I was able to move that out of the tent, so you're not adding additional heat inside, which I think is it's awesome. Because obviously, as y'all know that have been here, I don't like overheating the tents with additional ballast and stuff because I feel like it affects your growth, and we all know that from natural research that's being done and stuff. So being able to push that out the system is incredible. I can't tell you guys enough how excited I am and how good this light has been doing with the grows. I've had to dial in and make a few adjustments because, as y'all know, I've been an organic grower as far as the AirCube system goes. But we're going to do a couple runs with this setup, and we're going to track the progression, and I'm going to nail it. We're going to get it locked in. Shout out to GrowAce again. They are an epic company. They've got more than just the grow pots, y'all. So if you guys need any grow supplies, go check them out. They're phenomenal. Obviously, use code WEPOP5, save you some money. And then, as I said, the Medic Grow has got it going on over here. I mean, These lights are crazy, and the rating on them is unbelievable. I mean, you're gonna save money, but run it to most max effective possibility, and get the best grows you can. So if wattage is important to you, and which a lot of growers is, I would definitely recommend you check them out, y'all. 780 watts from the wall. It's running like a 1,000 watt light, so you can't beat it, especially for the price. And with the discount code, you're gonna save even more, especially here at the holidays. The design on that HellFire it's cool with the setup. The brackets I thought were gonna be a little cheesy, won't lie. But once I got them set up and in there and attached them, which they're adjustable, it stabilized the mess out of it. So I was excited to get this up and running, as I said. And again, with this AirCube system, I think we're going to be running some crazy genetics out of there with Axiom seeds. We decided to run the Sour G and the Blueberry crossed with Gator Breath, which I wanted to try something new. Mentioned the perlite and the addition with the soil. So I ran it 75% perlite and 25% pro mix, which I know getting into it now, I probably should have just ran the perlite. It would have been okay, and I probably would have enjoyed it better. But again, that's those learning curves. So we're running the Richmond Hydroponics, as I said. This is a two-part A and B for the synthetic growth. Just wanted to support a local company. They're great price, and they also have guarantees on their systems here for synthetics. So definitely worth checking it out if you're in the area. Local hydro stores got them, and or you can get it online from them. But I think that's gonna pretty much wrap this up, y'all. I just was excited to get in here on this Hellfire, bring this to y'all. Don't forget to check them out. I'm gonna drop links in the first pinned comments. Medic Grow has got their game on point, y'all, with this lighting. So don't forget to check that out. And hope y'all had an amazing holiday. And as always, until next time, fam, stay high and peace.